Hey all! Today, I'm gonna share how to make mini wooden display easel or stand with coffee stirrers. We need 17 sticks only. Take 4 coffee stirrer sticks and join them with white glue. Make 4 such. 3 of them are legs of the display easel. Let them dry by pressing them down with something heavy. Now take one of them and glue the remaining stick on it as I'm showing. Follow all the easy steps as I'm showing. Let it dry. Fix the last leg as I'm showing. Apply 2 coats of varnish on it. Our mini wooden display easel is ready now. For more cool ideas, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Please like and share the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.